All right, so a little glimpse into what I do for a living. I'm a low voltage electrician. I install security cameras, like that PTZ that's up there at the peak of my roof. That PTZ quit working. So I'm gonna go up, take it down, and replace it with a fixed dome. Alright, so I've got my pendant kit for the new camera. So all these cameras are takedowns, and they're given to us under the stipulation that we don't resell them and that we use them until they're dead. So it's exactly what I did with that PTZ. It was given to me because the customer wanted to upgrade and they didn't want to deal with it in their inventory, so I brought it here, put it up on the house. But I haven't come upon another PTZ that a customer wants to get rid of, so I did, however, come up with a fixed dome, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to point it that direction because that camera has got water in it and can't see nothing out of it, so we're going to put this one up instead. Okay. Ah, good, it's not stripped. Okay. Oh, that wasn't what I wanted to have happen. I gotta go get that. Alright, the GoPro was getting hot, so I've set you on top of the air conditioner in the shade. Hopefully, you can see a little bit of this. If not, I'm not going to worry about it. The air coming out of that attic vent is hot. Much hotter than it is in the sun. So I'm going to go in, plug this thing in, find it on my network, and we'll see what the shot looks like. Alright, so I found it on my network. That's a pretty decent shot of the truck. but I want to see the truck and the boat. So we see me up here looking at everything. Sure. All right. Twist. Twist. Move my fat skull. All right, that's mo better. Move this GoPro out of the heat. They don't like the heat. Ooh. All right, so I got a shot of the truck and of the boat. So here's the deal on those EasyViz cameras. When I take these 4 down and replace them, I'm going to take that one with the water in it, open it up, and I'll clean it out. I mean, it still works, just can't see past the water. And then I'm going to use them elsewhere. All right, so I'm going to put the dome on that, seal it up, and put my ladder away. Then I'm going to go inside and get something cool to drink. I will see you later.